Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to be checking out 9 big short hair trends that we're going to be seeing in 2023. So first up we have this asymmetrical pixie. This is a very chic and modern way to wear the pixie haircut. Followed by this beautiful bob haircut transformation. And then we see a hair color and haircut change. So she has a beautiful pixie undercut, loving that hint of blue, gray color. Very chic and modern. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a beautiful curly lob, followed by this beautiful shaggy lob hairstyle. Loving the wispy texture with that one. And then we have another pixie hair transformation. So she starts off with more of a grown out pixie or bixie style, and then gets the hair cut into more of a modern pixie cut. Next up, we have another gorgeous bob, complete with bangs. Followed by another bixie to pixie hair transformation. Beautiful. It actually looks like the stylist ended up doing more of a mini bob as well as an undercut underneath. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you want to see even more hot hair trends, be sure to check out this video next.